I see students jump into AI engineering by asking which Python library to learn first. That is like asking which screwdriver to buy before you have learned what a screw is. You need to understand the foundations before the tools make any sense. I'm an IT professor. And here is the complete roadmap for learning AI engineering the right way. Start with Python. Not for AI. Just Python. Data structures, functions, classes, file I/O. If you cannot write a clean Python script without libraries, you are not ready. Then learn SQL. Most AI work involves data, and most data lives in relational databases. After that, statistics and probability. AI is fundamentally applied statistics. You need to understand distributions, p-values, and Bayes' theorem. Not at a PhD level, but enough to evaluate a model's output intelligently. Now the AI-specific layer. Start with prompt engineering. It sounds simple, but understanding how to structure system prompts, chain of thought, and few-shot examples changes everything. Then retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. Chunking documents, embedding them, and retrieving relevant context before calling an LLM. This is the architecture behind every production AI app. Then fine-tuning for when RAG is not enough. LoRa adapters let you customize models on your data cheaply. Then agents. Multi-step reasoning, tool use, and memory. Python, SQL, statistics, then prompt engineering, RAG, fine-tuning, and agents. That is the roadmap I give my students in every AI course. The order matters. Skipping foundations for shiny tools is the fastest way to hit a wall 2 months in. I'm an IT professor. If this helped, hit subscribe. Drop a comment, where are you on this roadmap? I'll see you in the next one.